Hello YouTube, thanks for watching. So in this video I want to talk about some downloads that you can get access to. I've created some PDF files. These are great marketing tools that you can use, and I'm giving away free giveaway rights, meaning you can download them, enjoy them, use them, but also you get to share them out as well as marketing tools to help you build your LiveGood business. So I'll talk about those. We've got a lot of graphics and other things to go with it. So get into our private group and you'll see it all there. So yeah, those are the PDFs. But first of all, what I want to share with you guys, and also on congratulations to our LiveGood family. We've hit the 1 million member mark, which is amazing. So just over 1 year, we did it, and this is incredible because no other company in this space has ever achieved that in such a short period of time. So we really are onto something here big, and as we hit critical mass, we're looking at 3 to 5 million by this time next year. So, really powerful stuff. And, so much has happened in this last year. When I first joined, there were 3,000 members in the entire company. Now that we've hit the 1 million milestone, 8 products have launched. So that's incredible, including the 2 recent products that have launched, the essential oils and the E3, which is the upgrade. I mean, I love the old version of E3. That was fantastic, but the new version of E3 is even better, but they're selling it at the same price. You'll be able to check the website about that, but it's not just pre-workout. It's not just for people who go down the gym or whatever. It's also for people who need perhaps to replace their coffee or add something in the day that gives you that boost, that mental boost, brain boost. Okay, it's all designed for that. And we've got so many other products that we've already launched, as many of you know. We've got other products coming on, a huge number of products in the pipeline. Anyway, I mean, looking at this last year, guys, I mean, so much has happened. Not only do they always pay out on time, sometimes they even pay out early, as we've noticed. And not only that, we've had an upgrade recently. They announced an upgrade on the compensation plan, so more money in your pocket. So look at the comp plan. It's already added into the comp plan in the back office of your LiveGood members area, and a lot of great things coming. All right, a lot of great things. So amazing stuff. Make sure you get plugged in. So anyway, let me tell you about the stuff that I've brought out. Okay, so these PDFs. All right, I've created some recipes, some really short, simple hacks. Some recipes that you can do with the stuff that you've already got in your kitchen. It'll take you 10 minutes or less to knock these recipes up they're all featuring our products. So let's start with the protein powder. So this one is 10 recipes using the protein powder. In some cases, I'm even using other products that we've got, like the super greens. We've also using the coffee as well. But this particular PDF download is focusing on the protein powder, as you can see the recipes here, so you can download that. And also, guys, this is a marketing tool, so you can actually download it, but I'm giving you free giveaway rights. All right, so that you can use, but you need to maintain. There's a little part at the bottom here, well, somewhere, around here, but you need somewhere around here. You need to keep my credit, all right, in this. Okay, you don't have to post about my name on your timeline or whatever, or in your advert. You don't have to do that, all right, but just don't edit this PDF. Okay, if you do happen to edit it, I'm not particularly happy about you doing so, but if you do, at least keep my name in there, because I'm the original author of this PDF. Okay, and all the other PDFs that I bring out. So give credit, all right, but I don't mind you sharing it out. That's fine. Here's another one. This is more related to, well, actually a lot of the other products, actually. So we've got super greens, super reds. We've got CBD oil in some of them. We've got a lot of good stuff. Super reds here, super greens, protein and stuff like that. So coffee. But all these recipes are designed to get it all knocked out within 10 minutes or less. All right, so mostly stuff that you've already got in your kitchen. Really simple recipes, hacks. So that's that one. And we've also got this LiveGood coffee. This is more exclusive to just the coffee. although we do feature other things like protein powder, but mostly this is focused on coffee, because coffee is really, really popular. We all know it doesn't take a rocket scientist to know that coffee is one of the most popular drinks around the world. And we sell, not only do we sell a delicious coffee, but it's healthy. All right. Not like your typical coffee, which I do drink from time to time, but knowing, of course, that it does have those acids and pesticides and all the wrong stuff in there, and it's been highly processed, and you have no idea. But guys, this organic coffee is really, really, really delicious, really good stuff. You will get a nice hint of the mushrooms in there, which I love. Actually, to be honest, when I first bought it, I did like it when I first bought it, but it grew on me. It grew on me. I think for some people, those mushrooms, for me, it's a lovely earthy taste. I love it. But some people say it's an acquired taste, but with these recipes, you will love it. You got to try it. You really have. So there's a lot of clever ideas, some nice little hacks, things you can do, things you can add. A few little hacks at the end as well, like things you can put on the top as toppings and stuff like that. So a nice little book to hand out, all right, to get your team motivated. Because guys, as I mentioned earlier, the upgrade in the compensation plan means that you guys now get to earn from the products, all right, the first order of the products. So when your team places their first order, you get commissions. So you need to check the compensation plan to understand how that works. It's very, very simple, but it's in the back office of your members area. But bear that in mind. So you want to promote these products, and these are the three recipes that we've got there. Really easy. But I've also brought out this blueprint, 2024 LiveGood blueprint. So you can download that, some recommendations, some ideas, some software that I use, what you should be focused on, and even scripts right at the end. You've got some scripts, you've got some welcome messages, welcome emails, recommended tools that I use, and really powerful stuff. But not only that, I mean, I'm always adding stuff, guys. This is my little Google Drive. I say little, but it's not so little anymore. It's got so much stuff, and I just add periodically, some good stuff. I'm going to be deleting stuff. I mean, for example, I'm using a free account, so we don't have unlimited space here. So with the old stuff that we may not need, or stuff related to Christmas, and stuff like that, I may get rid of so they can free up some space. But as you can see, we've got a lot of stuff here, a lot of graphics. You can just click on them, download them, and post on your social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or make some videos out of them, doing some slideshows, put it back into Canva and make a slideshow and download it as a video and put it onto your, post it as a story, post it as a reel, post it on your YouTube, whatever. It's fine. Add it to your blog, add it to your websites. It's fine. You don't need to come and ask me everything you do or whatever. You're here. You're able to use this. All right, and everyone's welcome to use it. Okay, you don't have to be in my downline. You can use this. You can use these graphics. So hope you like it. Hope you like what we've got here. And guys, 2024 is going to be really, really exciting. I'm really excited. I haven't stopped since launching my LiveGood business last year. I just haven't stopped. So guys, it's in your interest to really get going with this. You're in good hands. Ben Glinsky knows what he's doing. The team, Ben Glinsky, Nora Kazan, Ryan Goodkin, Lisa Goodkin, they are really, really crushing this. And we're very lucky to have their team supporting us. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. All right. See you in the next training. Bye for now.